You decided to come to Finca Argayall? That's great. We'll show you how to get to our beautiful oasis. First step, book your flight to Tenerife South, and once you've landed, you've got a few options. Grab a taxi, about €30, and head to Los Cristianos, the harbor of Tenerife. Or take it easy and go with the MesaBus package. They will handle everything from the airport to the ferry and bring you safely to Valle Gran Rey, our closest harbor. Once you're in Los Cristianos, the adventure continues with a ferry to Lagomera. It's a good idea to book your ticket online in advance, unless you're with MesaBus. Option 1, Ferry Armas, runs up to 3 times a day and costs around €44. Option 2, Fred Olsen Express, also runs 3 times daily, crossing the Atlantic in about 50 minutes. And there is an advantage. You can book a combination ticket that includes the second ferry to Valle Gran Rey. Just switch to a smaller boat in San Sebastián. You can book the combo ticket on the Fred Olsen website. Just make sure you choose the route Los Cristianos to Valle Gran Rey when booking online. The ride is scenic, and if you're lucky, you might even spot dolphins near the coast. If that doesn't work out, no worries, you've got other ways to get to Valle Gran Rey from San Sebastián. Take a taxi, about €80, continue your journey with MesaBus if you booked it, or hop on the official bus, which is the most affordable and costs around €5. Once you're in Valle Gran Rey by taxi, bus or boat, you're almost there. From the Rotondo de Vueltas, the bus stop, and the harbor, it's just a 5-minute walk to our pickup point at the beach. There you'll see the gate to Finca Argayall, and one of our drivers will already be waiting to pick you up and drive you the final stretch. And just like that, you've arrived in our green oasis. Of course, once you're here, you might never want to leave. But when it's time to continue your journey, just follow the same steps. Ferry, bus or taxi, back to Tenerife. Have a safe journey and see you soon.